ladies and gentlemen of the jury, good afternoon. Thursday, June 7th, 2007, started as an ordinary day at Northside Hospital Women's Center. That hospital is located in North Fulton County in Sandy Springs, and it's known as the baby factory of Georgia. Every day, the nurses and doctors at Northside Hospital bring newborns into the world. That's what they do, and that's the business of that hospital. And on that hot summer sunny day, there was a young couple there expecting their second child. The woman, her name is Maurice. Her fiance, his name was Melvin Vernell III. But Melvin Vernell III never met his second child, because on that day, he walked to his car, which was parked in the parking deck of the maternity ward in the early evening, and as he sat in the driver's seat of his car, two men approached. Without saying a word, without uttering a sound, they fired multiple shots into the back of his car. He was struck 5 times, including a fatal wound which struck his lungs and his aorta. And there was absolutely nothing all of those doctors and nurses could do for him at Northside Hospital, and they tried. And on that day, in that maternity ward, his 19 years of life ended before the birth of his second child. The evidence will show this was not a random act of violence. This was not road rage. But Melvin Vernell III was targeted, he was stalked, and he was tracked to that hospital on that day at that time. And he died at that moment and in that manner because he crossed a gang. Specifically, because he stole marijuana from a gang. And on that day, they got even. And that gang is BGM. It's based in Montgomery, Alabama. BGM stands for Bang Get Money, Blood Get Money, depending on who you ask. But it's a blood sect gang. The leader of that gang, the general, is this man sitting right here, Gary Bradford, also known as Eldorado Red. Members of his gang, and specifically the shooter in this case, is that man right there. His name is Deandre Washington, also known as Maurice. And with Deandre Washington on June 7th of 2012 in that parking deck at Northside Hospital was this man right here, Connor. Maurice Connor, AKA Da Boy. And the evidence will show that Gary Bradford, he wasn't there at the time the trigger was pulled, but he had sent them there. And for their gang, they executed Melvin Vernell III. And they almost got away with it. The witnesses